Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. And are you someone who enjoys decorating your porches to make a nice, comfortable, and pleasing area to sit for coffee, reading, and just enjoying the out of doors? Well, today I'm going to share with you my two porches, my front and my back porch, how I've decorated them, and to show you how I create that sort of atmosphere for myself and friends and family to enjoy and really be able to sit and enjoy God's beautiful creation in the out of doors. So let's jump right in and take a look first at my front porch. Before we step on my front porch, I wanted to share this beautiful bridal wreath spirea that has been growing here for about 4 years. Here's a close-up of the very pretty flowers that grow on this lovely bush. So now we'll move over. As you can see, I have my flag out that I always put out, of course, for Memorial Day. We'll walk over here to my front door, and I do have a welcome sign propped up here next to my door, as well as this cute thrifted basket. It's just beautifully made. And I have a little patriotic garland hanging here from this door, which has been attached to the side wall here for several years. My welcome mat and a small vignette right here. Of course, we want to discourage soliciting as much as possible, but here are a few of my thrifted items. A friend gave me this house plant, actually. And then down here, this gorgeous primitive chicken that I thrifted. So pretty. Now I do have a seating area here with 2 rockers. And I did get out my patriotic pillows in my red, white, and blue colors, including on the window here. This is a wreath that I made a few years ago, and it has really stayed in good shape over time, and I've been able to use it for several years. Coming down, I have a small table here with a few things on it. And then these comfy chairs to sit out and watch the neighborhood go by. This is an old table that I worked with last year for you. I got out my red truck for this summer holiday time. And you saw, I'm sure, this beautiful step ladder that I did in another video. And I have it all decorated up for the summer. My plants here seem to be doing quite well. I do have a couple of hanging plants. This one here in this really pretty wired basket, this black and white. And then going to this side, I have a Boston fern like I often do on my front porch. It fills in the space and looks like nicely green plant all summer. All you have to do is keep it watered and perhaps give it a little plant food. So that's my front porch. And next we'll be moving on to my back porch. Welcome to my back porch. You may be familiar with my bistro table and chairs. I always have plants over here in this corner area because especially that tall stand gets some good sunlight and I can plant sun-loving plants there. Over here I have this little corner shelving and I'm working on growing some nasturtiums in this pot and also down in these two containers. Now looking over to this side of my porch, you can see I have some interesting seating. This chair is one that I thrifted and painted, added some floral transfers onto it. I enjoy having comfortable seating with lots of pillows. And I rearranged my porch a bit this year, putting my sort of couch type of furniture in the corner. And over here I have a faux ficus tree and some plants draping down there. A nice carpet here, which seems to be a little stained, so I may have to do some scrubbing on that when I get the time. Here's one of my planters with a pretty begonia on it. Isn't that a lovely little bloom? Then over here I have this fantastic plant hanger that my daughter gave me for Mother's Day. It's very sort of Victorian looking, just beautiful. I really am happy with it and so thankful she found that for me. Have this little trunk that I got on sale a while back. This cute little boots and cat planter have faux plants in them as well. It's hard to grow anything in that planter actually. So slowly swinging around to this side of the porch, I have some thrifted pieces like this little wooden seat. And then I have this piece that I got at one of those inexpensive furniture stores, but it has been holding up really well underneath my porch. So I'm really enjoying it. And then after this tour, I'm going to show you some evening shots of my porch with the lights on. You might enjoy that. This planter right here, I've put another begonia and then some impatiens over here. And I really enjoy using these asparagus ferns for greenery in the background. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of my front and back porches. And I hope that you are having a lovely, lovely summertime and enjoying your home and the outdoors around it, of course. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and joining me today. And I will see you again with another, hopefully entertaining video for you. So this is Mary saying goodbye for now.